Now, Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
What are we learning today?
Ukudla.
Oh, today we're talking about food. Let's learn some new words. Can you teach us the word for milk in isiZulu?
Ubisi.
And water?
Amanzi.
And what about bread?
Isinkwa.
Abuti, what is the word for fruits in isiZulu?
Izithelo.
Now let's see what you can remember. The word for milk in isiZulu is ubisi. And the word for water is amanzi. The word for bread is isinkwa. And the word for fruits is izithelo. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids.
Etsalani kahle.